welcome to my YouTube channel Evergreen Arts and Crafts. In today's video tutorial I'm going to teach you how can you make these amazing pretty bracelets. These bracelets are super easy to make and these are made in elastic. As you can see, look at the colors. In this video I'm going to teach you how can you make this one in green. So basically all are in same design but the colors are different. You can make in different colors and design if you wanted to. These are super easy. I hope you will enjoy today's video tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Take care everyone. Okay, for this video the supplies you will need is these metal pieces. I don't know what we call these, but these cute little metal pieces. You will be needing some 10 mm beads. I am taking Indian agates and this is a moonstone 8 mm. Some 8 mm Indian agates, and I'm using some 4 mm metal golden beads. And here I have some butterfly beads. I'm going to add the one I am going to like at the end. So let's get started. And you will need some 0.8 mm elastic, your scissors and hands. Now let's get started with this. So first I'm going to add 5 beads of 8 mm, any beads you can use, agates or normal, you can use any agates or you can use any different type of glass crystals. Make sure those are 8 mm. The size is obviously you can decide what hand size you're made of. Making of, not made of. Excuse me for my English please. Okay. So if you are making 2.8 hand size, you can go ahead and add 6 beads instead of 5. And if you are making hand size 2.6, then add 5 beads, which I am doing. Now take your golden bead, add in one of your golden bead. Now take these, I don't know what we call it, these metal bars. I'm going to take one white. And then I'm going to add another metal, this decorative piece, and I'm going to add this golden bead, and then again I'm going to add 5 of the same beads to the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. After adding 5 of these beads, we are going to repeat this part here, which is 1 golden bead. Then take your metal decorative part, bead, or I don't know what it is, white bead, and then another bar and golden bead. Now take another golden this bar and take your 10 mm bead, pass it through like that, and again another golden bar and golden bead, and again we are going to add the white, this one. Now you're going to add the golden bead again. This is what your work is going to look like till now. Add the golden bead. Oh, it's not getting in. Okay. Perfect. And now I have 2 different shades of butterflies. I think I should go for the green one. Brown is also looking good, but I wanted to use the green one, so I'm going to take the green butterfly. I'm going to pass this elastic through, and again I'm going to add the golden bead, and then we have to repeat this whole section to this side. So I'm going to fast forward the video. So this is what your work looks like now, and now you have to repeat all of this to this side. Okay, so now you can see that this is what your bracelet is going to look like, and now we are going to simply tie the bracelet. I'm making 2 knots. Make sure that it's passing through my bead. Yes, it is. And now I'm going to make additional 1 to 2 more knots, so it will be secure. And then just cut your remaining elastic, and this is how your bracelet is going to look like. Ta-da! And this is super easy and amazing to make. Look at this. You can wear it like that or like that. Easy peasy. Okay, so if you have enjoyed today's video tutorial, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, please. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you wanted to learn anything else, comment me on the comment box down below. Thank you so much everyone for your precious time and your support to my videos. Take care. Bye bye.